We are going hiking in the woods. Believe it or not, this is actually the first time that we've done this since we've lived on the farm. Whenever we go in the woods, we always take the quad, so we can go that way. So we are headed back into the woods, and we're just gonna go on a little hike. You wanna go in the woods? We're gonna go that way?
Mama, you come with me.
I'm coming with you. It's a beautiful day to be outside. Let's go in the woods.
We'll come right back for Daddy.
Yeah. More spider webs. Mommy got it.
What's this way?
That's the field.
Yeah, this one has many red.
Yeah. The deer likes to come here and eat, and so does Tiger Lily when Mommy rides her.
Well, Tiger Lily's back to the farm.
Okay, let's go head down in the woods. Nice. What did you find?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Where is it?
More mushroom right here. Can we eat
That's
this
great.
one?
No, you can't eat that one.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job.
I
Right.
can't eat those.
Let's go in the woods.
Raccoons eat mushrooms.
You're right. Raccoons do eat mushrooms. Levi, you talking? Big mushroom.
Big mushrooms.
It is a big mushroom. All right, let's keep going down to the creek, huh?
To poopy.
You're silly. Ah, you threw a mushroom at me. And we came across this big tree that has one of James's tree stands in it that I actually hunted out of last year. There's his tree stand.
Shame on poopy.
Really? Show me what you found.
A hole
A hole? Show me. Where's the hole at?
right here.
In that tree. Pretty cool.
And right there.
And right there. Elias, where are we?
I don't know. Over the creek.
That's right. We are at the creek.
There's spiders in there.
Yeah. Do you hear the birdies?
Fishy.
Yep, there are little fishies in there. That's called a creek shad. I just saw a froggy too. Oh, there's a little froggy jumping out in the water. He just swam away.
Daddy, can I see?
He's swimming in the water.
I see froggy.
So pretty. Come here, Eli. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, I want a mushroom.
Oh, I'm tired.
I want a mushroom.
Okay, get a mushroom. So, Elias did great. He walked all the way down to the back of the property where the creek was. And I had Levi on my back, who is kind of sleeping. Anyway, now that we're walking back uphill, he wants me to carry him because his legs are tired. All right, back to hiking. I am so excited. We were just hiking and Elias found this all by himself. Elias, what did you find?
Deer hunter.
Let me see it. Look at me. Good job. Daddy's gonna be so happy. Let's go show Daddy what you found. We made it back to the camper after a hike, and Levi fell asleep in the carrier, and I laid him down, and he's still sleeping. Look at this. Someone was wore out. Woohoo!
It's getting wet.
Yeah, you can get wet.
Don't step right there, though.
Is it deep?
Yeah. I saw the froggy.
Did you?
Hey.
Woohoo! Wow! That was really good. You're brave. Really? Elias, Daddy found a turtle shell. Bring it here, babe. Let's see it. Cool. Eli, you want this turtle shell? Throw it to me. Oh.
Mommy, put it in the water and it won't swim.
No, it doesn't have a turtle in it. It's just a shell. Cool. Here, you want it?
Yeah.
See, no turtle. Just the shell. Can you hold it? Put it in there, see if it floats.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it sinks. Yeah, it does sink. I'm surprised. I thought it would float. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, it sinks right to the bottom. Okay, pick it up. Yeah. I will, Eli. Are you going again? Shoes are off. Hey, Turbo. Again? Hi, babe. He's right here. And that's Uncle Darren up there. They get ready to pull up the first piece of metal roofing on the front of the house. What you doing there, Donald Duck? Cutting the piece of metal.
Another day spent working on the roof.
Hi, babe. Second floor of the house. I just got done sweeping out all the sawdust because every time it rains and it gets windy, the sawdust gets pushed up against the baseboards in the house, and then it gets wet and it just holds that moisture, and all of our boards are gonna rot. So I finally just spent like 2 hours cleaning the whole second floor, and all the guys just disappeared because they're checking tree cameras in the woods because deer hunting season, I'm pretty sure, is next weekend. So they wanna know what's in the woods for them. Anyway, so since they're not here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the upstairs tour by myself. So if you were to come up the stairs, that's where we're gonna start. So you come up the stairs, which you see behind me here, and you're on the loft. So we're gonna look to the right first. So to the right, it's not framed in yet, but right here is gonna be like a long skinny closet. So there's a hallway there. So you go through the hallway, and then in there is the bathroom. And then through this door back in there is the boys' room. It's gonna have bunk beds in that corner, and it's gonna be dolled up pretty cool. So we got bathroom here, boys' room here. There's a big giant window that goes there. And then over here is the boys' closet, and it's a walk-through closet. So you walk through there. And then on the other side of the closet, that whole front part of the house with the sloped ceilings is like a playroom or a toy room. So we're going through the closet now. And then this here is the playroom. It is like a storage room, but since we have such a big barn, I don't need storage, so I'm gonna use it as a playroom. And it's actually tall enough, like, I don't know if in the video if the ceilings look really low, and they are kind of low, but it's perfect for kids. Like if I'm standing here, I don't hit the ceiling. James doesn't hit it either. Over on this side, you do, because it's lower. But on this side, you can't. So James and I could walk into the playroom and not hit our heads. We just have to stay on this side of the playroom. So that's that. So now we're gonna come out, gonna walk through the boys' walk-in closet over here, and now we're gonna look at the other side of the house. So here's the loft again. And we go this way. So this here is a bedroom, and then the only other thing over here is a bonus room there. So this is gonna be a bedroom for future kids, since I'm having our boys share a room right off the bat. Here's that. We still have to frame in the closet, which is gonna go here where that fan is. That's where the closet is gonna go. And then this room has like a little entryway there. You walk through the door and then you turn this way and there's this room. And it has a really nice window too. And this bedroom over here will have a big window there as well. So lots of light on the second floor. I'm really excited about it. And then from this room, you kind of have a good view of the balcony. So I'll show you that. So then this is the balcony. And the balcony overlooks where the fireplace is gonna be and looks down into the living room. And then on this side, it looks, here's the entryway. There's a big giant window. There's actually gonna be a window up there. Those are exposed, gosh, I forget what they're called, beams. Really pretty. Steps are here, and then down here is in the foyer. So then you can look down to the foyer. So there you have it, tour of the second floor of our house. It's not huge, it's just exactly what I wanted. I wanted just to be able to throw all the kids' stuff up here, their bedrooms, one bathroom, and that's it. So that's all that's upstairs. It's just what I wanted. I really like how it turned out. That's it, guys.